Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video of the Hellaflush, Illest, and Weapon.R collaboration wheel spacer kit, and this is what we got. So this is the wheel spacer kit. This is the hub-centric ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up and do an unboxing of this full kit. So this is the hub-centric ring. This is what you get in the box. Open this up and take it out. You get two hub-centric rings. Okay. Nice lime money green, made out of aluminum, CNC'd, and then anodized. Really cool stuff. So definitely made to fit perfectly. Okay. And this specific one is a 60 by 15 millimeter hub-centric ring. The center, okay, would be a 73 millimeter, as said on the box. So put these to the side, and you'll see those hub-centric rings. Put these guys to the side, and we'll open up the spacer kit. This specific spacer kit is a 15 millimeter. Okay, that's the thickness of the wheel spacer kit. Okay, it's 5 by 100 slash 114.3. Okay, 1.5 thread. So, and you know, some of these are conversions, some of these are just spacers. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. Put these to the side. Here's the spacer kit. This, I believe, are the lug nuts that are included, the low profile lug nuts. Okay, go ahead and open those up. So I'm gonna open these up for you guys to take a look at. Okay, and these are the very nice low profile lug nuts that go on there. The reason why you want those is because when you put them in there, it's flush. Okay, not going to get any problems with you know, bolting this together and having protrusion. Okay, you can see from here, you got it on there. It will not have any problems with the when you put these spacers on, it protruding or anything like that. Okay, so you get enough to bolt everything on. 10 pieces, 5 lugs. Okay, there you go. That's the Weapon.R and Hellaflush collaboration / with the Illest. Okay, so it's all black with the laser etching right here. All aluminum anodized, hard anodized. Okay, nice CNC piece. Okay, and you can, I don't know if you can tell, but they are all knurled so it will not slip. Okay, and it's hard anodized, so make sure that these will stay in place and very hard to, like, you know, strip or get them to like move or anything. So you should not have any problems with that. But you know, these are very good pieces. Yeah. So hard anodized and very precisionally made pieces. All right. So here it is. Like I said, these are the Weapon.R and Hellaflush / Illest collaboration wheel spacer kits. And if you have any questions or anything, make sure you remember to subscribe to our channel and keep in touch with, keep updated with our newest products. All right, have a good one, guys. Have a good one. Check you out next time.